Welcome to Gongolia! We need to make some Sounda-pa-loozas for the concert! Let's start with Sally's!
Drag a sound from the bottom and place it on a pad. Keep placing. This is the pitch meter. Place enough. Did your sound make a high pitch or a low pitch? You designed a Sounda-pa-looza. Choose the play button to hear it. Tap on the Sounda-pa-looza to play it. It sounds great.
Choose a wrench to build another instrument.
Here are some new sounds. Let's build a Sounda-pa-looza with them.
Tap on the Sounda-pa-looza to play it. It sounds great.
Choose a wrench to build another instrument.
On this level, you can change the size of the instruments to make them have a high-pitched or a low-pitched sound. This is the size meter. Move it to make the pitch higher or lower.
Tap on the Sounda-pa-looza to play it. It sounds great.
Choose a wrench to build another instrument. Drag a sound from the bottom and place it on a pad.
Tap on the Sounda-pa-looza to play it. It sounds great. Now it's time to make your own Sounda-pa-looza to play. Use the switch for confetti or glitter. Tap on the Sounda-pa-looza to play it. Sounding good. Now let's all play together. Play your Sounda-pa-looza along with us. Choose the arrow button to play again.
Welcome back! Let's make more